In this video, I'm going to show you how to record vocals in Waveform free. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open Waveform, and then from here, you want to select the microphone you want to be using to record your vocals. So to do this, the easiest way is to go to Settings up top over here, and then you want to go to the second tab called Audio Devices. Here you can see Input Device, and you want to click on it. By default, it's going to be none like this, so you want to click on it, and you want to select your mic you want to be using for recording your vocals. So I'm just going to click on microphone Yeti stereo mic over here, which is the one I use. And of course, you want to do the same thing for the output device as well. Click on here and then select your speakers, which you're using for your output, okay? So when you've done these two things, you want to go back into your project and then you are ready to actually start recording the vocals. So by default, you'll see some tracks already in here. If you don't, of course, you can go up here and add a track and that's going to work as well. I'm going to work in this track 1 over here. I'm going to position the playhead where I want to begin, which is going to be at the very beginning. And then I'm going to click in this empty space inside my track to select the input device. And then you want to go to audio and simply select the input channel 1+2, which should be the default one we just selected. And as you can see, there we go. That's a good indicator as I'm speaking. It's actually showing that my microphone is being recognized. Now, when you've done this, you want to click on this button to enable recording from your input device like that. And then you simply have to click on this record button here at the bottom. And as you can see, as I'm speaking right now, and it's actually recording my audio, it's going through and the audio is being recorded. If I shut up for a second, there we go. As you can see over here, there was no audio, which means I'm actually recording my vocals in here. Then when you're done, you can simply hit this stop button at the bottom, and that's it. Basically, that's how you record vocals or whatever inside Waveform free, okay? I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.